Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we are doing maths, and in maths we will be talking about units, tens and hundreds. So you know what unit is? Well, what is this? This is a pencil. So this is one pencil. Now what is this? This is another pencil. So together we have two pencils, right? So this is one unit. Now we have two, so we have two units. Three pencils, three units. Now if we keep collecting pencils like these, अगर हम इनको जमा करते रहें, one unit, two units, unit we show by U, letter U, umbrella. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? So all these are individually are units. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 units, 6 units, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units. Then we put some tape around it. So they become, when there are 10 units, they become 110. This is 110. 110. Okay? Now if we have two tens, that becomes 20. Then we have three tens, they become 30. 4 tens, that becomes 40. 5 tens, that becomes 50. 6 tens, that becomes 60. 7 tens, that becomes 70. 8 tens, that becomes 80. 9 tens, that becomes 90. And 10 tens makes 100. 100. So if we have 10 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we have 10 tens, okay, 10 pencils and 10 of them, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we have 10 tens, okay, then it becomes 100. 100. 100. Okay, now let's look here. So we have one pencil, that's one unit. One pencil is one unit. Now we have 10 pencils, so that becomes 110. 110. Now we have how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So that becomes 10 tens, and that is 100. 100. So when we write 1, we write U. Unit means unit, or some people write ones. Ones or units. Ones or units. So we call it units. हम इसको units कहेंगे. The 1 is a unit. Okay? And then we have 110. 110. So 10, and that is T. T. T is 10. T is 10. U is 0. 110. And then when we have 10 tens, that becomes 100. So for 100 we use H, letter H. So under H we write 1, under 10 we write 0, and under unit we write 0. So that becomes 100. That is called 100. Okay, now you tell me. Now let's think about this. You have what? Leaves? you have one leaf, so that is 1 unit. What about if you have 5 leaves? That is 5 units. 5 units. And if you have 10 leaves, what is that? That is 110. 110. So you write 110 like this, 1 and 0. 0 you write under unit, and 1 you write under T, 10. Right? You got it? Good. So this is 110. 110. And let's say if you go around collecting leaves and you collect 100 leaves. Okay, so 110, second 10, third 10, fourth 10, 5, 5th 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10 tens, 10 tens. That becomes 100. So now you need to remember this. Okay, 10 tens make 100. 10 tens make 100. Let's say together. 10 tens make 100. 10 tens make 100. Okay, and when you say 100, then you have 1 under what? H. And what is H? H means 100. What does H means? H means 100. H means 100. H means 100. And you have T. What T means? T means 10. T means 10. T means 10. T means 10. And you write 0 under 10. And then what does U means? You tell me. U means unit. 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 So U means unit. U means unit. Okay. So what is the sign? What is the word we use for unit? U. What is the word we use for 10? T. And what is the word we use for 100? H. Good. So what does H means? 100. What does T means? Tens. And what does U means? Unit. So where do we write the 100? Here, on the left. On the left. And where do we write unit? On the right. 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 Raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. On the right. 100 on the left and unit on the right. Do like this. Raise your hands and let's do it together. 100 on the left, unit on the right. 100 on the left, unit on the right. And 10 comes in between. Tens जो हैं वो बीच में आते हैं. ठीक है, चलिए अब आप बार बार 2 काम करें. एक तो चीज़ें जमा करें, 10 टेंस बनाएं. चीज़ें जमा करके 10 टेंस बनाएं. आप स्ट्रॉस भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, स्टोन्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, पेंसिल्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, मैच स्टिक्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बटन्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इनको जमा कर करके 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 100 तक 10 टेंस बनाना है. यह आपका पहला काम है. और दूसरा, ऐसे आपने लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. H for 100, T for tens, U for units. ओके, तो फिर मिस आपका ये काम चेक करेंगे और आप तस्वीरें खींचिएगा मोबाइल से. ठीक है, जब आप 10 टेंस बनाए ना चीज़ों के, 1, 10, 2, 10, तस्वीर खींच लीजिएगा. ठीक है, जिस चीज़ की भी बनाए तस्वीर खींच लीजिएगा. फिर अपनी कॉपी में ऐसे लिखिएगा H, T and U. और फिर ये आप अपनी टीचर को आपने चेक कराना है. आपके टीचर आपका ये काम चेक करेंगे. ठीक है, रेडी? ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.